In this video, I'll show you how to chat with your documents using knowledge base data source in Geekflare Chat. To get started, click the plus icon and select Upload to Knowledge Base. Choose your document and upload it. Geekflare Chat will process the file and add it to your knowledge base. Once processing is complete and the status changes to ready, the document becomes available to chat with using any AI model across your workspace, depending on file permissions. There are two ways to start a conversation with your uploaded document. The first option is from the knowledge base page itself. Locate your document, click the three-dot menu next to it, and select Chat with. This will open a new conversation with your document already attached as context. Alternatively, you can open Chat from the left sidebar, click the plus icon, and select Choose Existing Data. Then select the document you want to use and start asking questions. Both methods allow you to use your uploaded document as context for your conversation. Instead of manually reading long documents or searching through hundreds of pages, simply ask questions in natural language. Geekflare Chat retrieves the most relevant information from your uploaded content and uses it to generate answers. This can save significant time when working with documentation, reports, manuals, research papers, or internal knowledge bases. It can also help reduce credit usage by retrieving only the most relevant information from your documents. Instead of repeatedly uploading files or pasting large amounts of text into every prompt, Geekflare Chat can reference your knowledge base and provide answers using the context that matters. You can ask for summaries, key insights, explanations, or specific information from your documents. You can also switch between different AI models while continuing to work with the same content. Whether you're researching, learning, analyzing documents, or finding answers quickly, Geekflare Chat helps you spend less time searching and more time getting work done. Upload your documents to knowledge base once, ask questions naturally, and let AI find the answers for you.